Hidden apps on iPhone, how to find. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can find the hidden apps on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to find hidden apps on your iPhone, if you happen to hide a certain app from your home screen, so no matter where you look over here, you can see I don't have the Twitter application. That's because I've hidden it. Now I have completely installed the app, but it's not showing it because I've hidden it. And to unhide it, you simply need to come to the app library. Then over there you need to search for the app that you hid basically. Then you can simply go ahead and then actually try to go ahead and then basically add them back to your home screen just like this. And this way you'll be able to get back the hidden backs app on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.